हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 8 इंग्लिश बाल वार्तिका 4.1 द वेट, उसके वार्मिंग अप्स एंड इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से, वेयर डू वी फाइंड ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल इन अर्बन एरियाज? Answer: we find wild animals in forest and zoos, domestic animals in village, cities and aquatic animals in the river, and seas or oceans, and birds on tree. Second, do you have a pet? Answer: yes, I have a pet dog. Third, how do we help animals and birds? Answer: we should help animals and birds by treating them kindly. We should care of them and love them. We should feed them properly and provide them with all their needs. Treat them like your friends. For question A, how do we realize the animals are not feeling well? Answer: we understand the animals are not feeling well from the changes in their behavioral pattern, changes in their eating habits, and their inactivity. Fifth, who gives medicine treatment to the sick animals and birds? Answer: the veterinarian animal doctor gives medicine treatment to the sick animal and birds. First question say, doctor who do special advanced study for specific parts of the body have special terms. In your group, try to match the specialty doctor with who words they treat. तो यहाँ पर उसके आंसर दिए। फर्स्ट का आंसर है डी, सेकंड का जी, थर्ड का एफ, फोर्थ का ए, फिफ्थ का ए सी, सिक्स का बी और सेवन का ई। सेकंड क्वेश्चन से, डिस्कस इन योर ओन ग्रुप and write down the most important reason why pediatricians and veterinarians have daughter jobs to diagnose their patient illness. Answer: the pediatrician and veterinarians have a daughter jobs to diagnose their patient kinds of animals, mainly because they cannot speak and tell anything about their illness. These doctors have to keenly observe and changes in their behavioral patterns, handle them with great care, and examine them with great difficulties. English workshop के question से, first, write down the rhyme scheme of stanzas first to 3 and the last two stanzas. How does it differ in the remaining stanzas 4 to 7? अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। तो इसका आंसर मैंने आपको दिया हुआ है, या यहाँ से आप डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं। सेकंड है, राइट एनी 5 illness of animals in the poem that you find most amusing and laughable. First, the lion has caught a cold. Second, the Arctic fox is suffering from heat. Third, the fever caused by virus attacked the chimpanzees. Fourth, the panther has a wife who chew his ears. Fifth, monkey has pinched his tail. Third है, out of names of bird and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi, Marathi or your mother tongue. First है zebra, second giraffe, third kangaroo, fourth chimpanzees. B है, write 4 reasons why animal in zoo suffer more than those who live free in the wild. Answer: animals in a zoo suffer more than those who live free in the wild because of lack of free space to move around. Second, easy transmission of diseases. Third, food limited in quantity and variety. Fourth, trouble from human visitors. Fourth think deeply and write. Is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming vets? Explain your response. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। Answer: the poet absolutely has no intention to discourage youth from the becoming of it. On the contrary, he wants to bring to their notice that Hewitt's work is very important for the animals who cannot express anything about their illness. He wants to suggest that vet profession is noble and is more important than man's doctor. He also underlined the hard work it involves. If they find out from the vet or from a website, what precaution does a vet have to take when she is called a treat wild and dangerous animal? Make a point-wise notes of the same. First, following precaution should be taking care. First, restrain the animals properly. Second, appoint strong helpers to handle the animals. Third, wear personal protective equipments. Fourth, prepare a strong and proper iron frame so that animals don't move while treating. Fifth, treat the animals with love and care. Sixth, make all equipments and medicines available. Seventh, prepare a special area for the treatment. And eighth, have an exit strategy in an emergency.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.